Welcome back to Primetime News.
And a special welcome to our folks on onespotmedia.com and on TVJ International in the Cayman Islands.
Up first this evening, one hand can't clap. The message from the parliamentary opposition to the government this evening amidst calls for unity and cooperation on national issues.
But it appears the new parliament is off to a rocky start as Juliet Holness has returned as House Speaker without the support of the opposition.
Now, all parliamentarians were present today at the swearing-in ceremony. Andrea Chisholm begins our coverage.
One by one, members of Parliament take the oath of allegiance, setting the stage for robust debate in the House of Representatives. 35 government members and 28 representing the opposition. With the government having a 7-seat majority, unity and cooperation are even more important.
I extend once again my hand of partnership to the opposition parliamentarians.
Unity is strength, and we must all strive for it. However, it cannot be achieved by platitudes or just empty words. One hand can't clap. And it is important, if we want to build consensus around important topics, that there be some action, some actual tangible effort to achieve consensus. And the events that have taken place here today, I don't think augur well in that regard.
Events such as this.
I, Juliet Anne Marie Holness.
Juliet Holness was returned as Speaker of the House. In an unprecedented move, the opposition did not support her appointment. Unresolved issues in the old Parliament have resurfaced. They continue to argue the House Speaker is unfair. In her presentation, Mrs. Holness went straight to business, pledging to complete the review of the standing orders and other unfinished tasks.
I am committed to pursuing even greater reforms and transformative initiatives to make our Parliament more efficient, dignified and accessible.
Another sticking point, a request for the opposition to resume the chairmanship of critical parliamentary committees.
Having the government appoint the chairman of the committees to set the agenda and the dates of meetings and so on is not, in our view, consistent with the aspiration of accountability.
While we await the outcome, opposition leader Mark Golding is making this clear.
We intend to hold this government to account.
Yes.
For all the promises that they made to the people of Jamaica in the course of the last election in seeking a third term of office and in achieving higher levels of performance than they've been able to achieve thus far. And we intend to also put forward our own proposals as to how we would do that.
Speaking of accountability, Prime Minister Dr. Andrea Holness promised to further formalize job descriptions for MPs.
This reform will make clear what the public rightly expects its elected representatives to do: regular attendance and active participation in sittings and committees, diligent oversight of ministries and agencies, transparent and ethical use of public resources, and continuous visible engagement with constituents. It will also create a framework to measure performance, improve accountability, and strengthen public trust in institutions.
In the meantime, there was another notable observation from today's sitting.
All is not well between MP for Southwest St. Catherine Everald Warmington and his colleagues from the Jamaica Labour Party. Now, Mr. Warmington was in the chamber long before his colleagues arrived, and for the most part, he kept to himself.
After he was sworn in, Mr. Warmington did not even shake the Prime Minister's hand. He went straight to the door and left the chamber. He told our cameras to stay tuned. Andrea Chisholm, TVJ News.